What's up, everybody? I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and today we are at the beautiful Santee Lakes, and one even better. We are in our 2016 Chevy Express 4x4 Duramax build that we built for the one and only SEMA show in 2021. And now there are so many great things about this van, and it is so fun to use. But one really big thing that people always ask us is, I love the van, but how hard is it to put that pop top up on it? So we went to the experts at Field Vans and had them install this amazing pop top. And today I want to show you just how easy it is to pop my top on my Chevy Express van. As we pop our head up here and look at this, you're gonna have these latches that are attached to the top. So what's really nice about this Field Van pop top is if I want the cushion to go up with the pop top, I simply attach the cable to it, and now the whole cushion will go up to the top. It's going to give me the ability to walk now from the front all the way to the back almost. There is one other cushion in the back that's going to stay stationary. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to have this go all the way up to the top. I want to be able to walk all the way through here. That's going to be a plus. Let me show you how to start this process. You usually have two different options when doing this, and I don't know if you do anymore. However, of course, I opted for the power. I don't want to be struggling with putting this up, especially if I decide to add an awning to the top of it. So this is going to be the power button right here. Before I start hitting that power button, I want to make sure that I undo the latches. This is going to have two latches in the front. I'm simply going to pull it, undo it. This is going to drop down, and I can just unhook the hook from there, no problem. So the last thing, I got all three latches done. Now's the simple part. Simply press the button and watch it all go up. I have this up, and gosh, that's so simple. That's what's nice about having the powered top. Now, another nice feature that I really like in here is if I'm going to be sleeping in here, of course I want it to be dark, and each one of these windows is going to have a curtain, which is going to be really nice. Another thing that is really nice is all of this has the vinyl on the outside. I can open that up, and I have screens, so I'm not going to be letting a lot of bugs in, but still allowing the fresh air to come in. However, one of my favorite things is going to be as I open up the front of this shade right here, I'm gonna also have another screen. And when I open up that screen, what is really nice is I do have the rack up on the front. I'm gonna have a lot of storage up there, and that is another big plus. I can put, man, all kinds of good stuff up there. And another thing that's great about this little quarter rack is that's also going to hold all of my Lightforce lights. We always know we love more Lightforce lights on them. That is great. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lower the mattress down and show you exactly where I'm going to sleep at night. So what else is great is it also does come with this ladder, and what's nice is this, how small this is. This will fit in the box in the back. I'm just going to go ahead and pop this to come up, and now I can climb up into my bed. So all I need now is a couple blankets, and I'm good to go. Another really nice thing is this does have lighting in the top of it, so if I want lights up in here as well. Now keep in mind that I'm not stuck with my bed going all the way to the back. If I have living quarters or something in the back, which I plan on doing in this, I'm going to slide these mattresses to the front and show you how awesome I think that is. So another thing that I really love about this Field Van pop top is it does give me a lot of different options. I don't necessarily have to keep my bed all the way in the back of the van, as right now I've positioned both of the cushions all the way in the front of the van. What's really nice about that is it would give me a lot of space in the back of the van where it's clear from seats, and that's always going to be a plus. It's also going to give me direct access to my patio now up front. I think I'm going to head out on the patio. I'll see you guys out there. All right, guys, so that was a ton of fun walking you through my field van pop top, showing you just how simple it is to put up, and that is what I love about it. So this Chevy Express is just awesome. We built this for SEMA, and you know what? It's not done being built yet. So if you enjoyed this content or want to see more just like it, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below, because we're going to be doing a ton of fun stuff with this still as well. So that's all I got. If you found this video informative, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll be sure to answer them. Otherwise, guys, I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs. This is a field van pop top. This thing's awesome. See you in the next video.